old money videos, that is not a flex. CLS 53 AMG, it's the best, yeah. Skipping lanes, I'm running through them states. I was only 13 when I caught my first case. Bitch, I got the city hot like the fucking Everglades. Dub clothes out of style, please go put that shit on.
Currently getting tires. Oh my god, my goodness. It's my other tire. He changed this one already. Let me see. Yeah, he changed this one. Got them scorpions on the front. I can't find that other tire that I had. Well, I broke my fender liner, so we got to change this one. And this is my other tire. Yeah. Hey, whoa. And I broke the tire pressure sensor. So we gotta get one of these now. Okay guys, picking her up from iTrack. Kill switch installed, tracker installed, and a lot more. Stay tuned. Speed sensor is finally fixed. ABS light is off. Just gotta just leave it alone. What's left to do? Check engine light and activate the cooler. Wheel is on. You can't see the wire, but the ABS wire is rewired. And alrighty, so we got the tires front and back. Let me show you guys. The ABS wire did get rewired, as you guys can see. Just let the car, turn on and stuff. So no more ABS or traction light. That is because one of the sensors in the tire broke when we were doing the tires, so I couldn't get the tire pressure sensor recalibrated. But I did get another one off of one of my other rims that I had, and we're gonna install it and fix it today. So the airbag light, we're about to fix that as well, and then the seat belts, we did get the seat belts. We did get the seat belts unlocked as well. So seat stitched, seats unlocked. More and more lights are being removed off the dash. So we're just working, trying to get it done. And she's currently about to get another car wash. So you guys will see it when it's done. She is all washed up. She look good after she take a bath. And I got a surprise for you guys too, but I think I'm gonna save it for next video. She was all washed up. I can't show you guys the back of the car because I did register the car, but she does look good. We do gotta get the car buffed and polished, but does look good. Oh, and I got a surprise for you guys, but I think I'm gonna save that for next video. You try to teach like a teacher. My city, I wanna be as a boss. She's greedy and they knock you off for no reason. I threw my head, I got 3 different meanings. My dog gon' do head, they go get a reading. You gon' get the gun and ain't no more agreeing. I took the back end for not letting me in. I cut some new faces, we straight to the end. You stuck to the basic, I switched up the win. We stayed in Jamaica, me family and friends. We poppin' these but we poppin' G6. Convertible cool like a coat with no lid. The first that's the truth, I ain't capping a beat. We can't let it cool, buddy. First cat on the moon. Or should we say first cat in space? I know you guys see the difference. This is the surprise I have for y'all. Now reloading. Let me show you guys. Stars, like the different colors and stuff. I could change the colors, brighten it, dim it, make them like change colors, and I could change the speed of the stars. So I wanted you guys to see it. Looks nice, actually. So day by day reloading and making it happen. Just trying to get better and better and finish this car completely. So we got the check engine light. And the check engine light is on because we need actuators for the exhaust. And then the check engine light should be off after that. And I'm gonna take it off the exhaust that I have already. And then we're gonna see if the check engine light comes off. If not, then I have to go get some brand new ones. And then we also have to add the auxiliary cooler back on instead of doing the return line. So we're almost there. Car is almost 100%. So let's get it, let's go. And the supercharger is off. We don't know if the supercharger is knocking or the motor. Hopefully it's just the supercharger. Dude's in there. Where did that cooler at? Oh, the cooler's supposed to be down here. So due to that being eliminated, probably hurt the blower. But the blower is on its way to get looked at by a mechanic that specifies in Dodge, especially Hellcats. So we're gonna go ahead and get over there now and see what's wrong with it. Okay, so we got the blower back and we're about to install it back onto the car. As you can see, there's no blower under there. There's no blower under there. And then I'll show you guys what was wrong with it. Why are you watching me turn?